Hello, foodies, and welcome back. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the heart of Korean cuisine to unravel the delicious mysteries of Gyeran Bap. But wait, there's more to this humble dish than meets the eye. Join us as we uncover some lesser-known facts and secrets about this Korean comfort food. The basics of Gyeran Bap. Our exploration begins with the basics. Gyeran Bap, quite literally, egg rice, in Korean, is a simple yet satisfying dish. It's made with steamed rice, topped with a beautiful fried egg, and seasoned with various ingredients to create a delightful harmony of flavors. A breakfast staple. Here's a fascinating tidbit. Gyeran Bap is a staple of Korean breakfast culture. It's a quick and nutritious meal that energizes people to start their day. The combination of protein from the egg and carbs from the rice makes it a perfect morning pick-me-up. A versatile canvas. Gyeran Bap is like a blank canvas for flavors. While the classic version features a sunny side-up egg, you can find numerous variations. Some include toppings like spicy kimchi, savory bulgogi, or even crispy bacon, transforming it into a customizable feast. History and tradition. Korean cuisine is steeped in tradition, and Gyeran Bap is no exception. It has roots that stretch back generations and is often associated with home-cooked meals, reflecting the warmth of Korean family traditions. The perfect texture. One of the secrets to making the perfect Gyeran Bap is achieving the right texture. The rice should be fluffy and slightly sticky, while the egg should have a runny yolk, creating a luscious sauce when mixed together. A nutrient-packed dish. Gyeran Bap isn't just tasty, it's also nutritious. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Paired with rice, this dish offers a balanced meal that can keep you fueled throughout the day. Korean comfort food. Much like chicken noodle soup in Western culture, Gyeran Bap holds a special place as a comfort food in Korea. It's often enjoyed during times of illness or as a heartwarming meal that evokes feelings of home and nostalgia. The art of presentation. Presentation is key in Korean cuisine, and Gyeran Bap is no exception. The dish is often served in a stone or hot pot bowl, creating a visually appealing and Instagram-worthy meal. Unique seasonings. Each region in Korea has its own unique twist on Gyeran Bap. Some regions use soy sauce or sesame oil for seasoning, while others opt for a dash of spicy gochugaru, red pepper flakes, to add a kick. Making Gyeran Bap at home. Here's a secret tip for our viewers. You can easily make Gyeran Bap at home. It's a versatile dish that allows you to get creative with your favorite toppings and seasonings. Experiment and make it your own. The role of Gyeran Bap in Korean culture. Gyeran Bap isn't just a meal. It's deeply embedded in Korean culture. It often finds its place at celebrations and gatherings, symbolizing unity and togetherness. Sharing a plate of Gyeran Bap is a way for Koreans to bond and create cherished memories. A symbol of simplicity. One of the beautiful aspects of Gyeran Bap is its simplicity. With just a few key ingredients, it showcases the essence of Korean cuisine, the art of making the most out of the humblest of ingredients. Gyeran Bap in modern fusion cuisine. In the world of modern fusion cuisine, Gyeran Bap has made its mark too. You can find it as an inventive ingredient in sushi rolls, burritos, and even burgers, blending Korean flavors with international dishes for an exciting culinary experience. Korean egg steaming techniques. Here's an insider's secret. Achieving the perfect, silky texture of the egg in Gyeran Bap often requires mastering the art of Korean egg steaming techniques. It's a culinary skill that takes time to perfect. Health benefits of Gyeran Bap. Gyeran Bap offers not just comfort but also health benefits. Eggs are a great source of choline, a nutrient that supports brain health, making this dish not only delicious but also brain-boosting. Enthusiasts worldwide have taken on Gyeran Bap eating challenges, where they attempt to eat the largest serving of Gyeran Bap within a time limit. The unique role of eggs in Korean cuisine. Eggs play a unique and important role in Korean cuisine, beyond Gyeran Bap. They're used in various dishes, from savory pancakes to spicy stews, showcasing the versatility and adaptability of this essential ingredient. Gyeran Bap and Korean street food. Street food vendors in Korea often serve Gyeran Bap in portable containers, making it a convenient and delicious snack for those on the go. It's the perfect street food to satisfy your hunger while exploring the bustling streets of Seoul. The Gyeran Bap ritual. In Korean households, there's a unique ritual associated with Gyeran Bap called Gyeran Dedangjim. It involves covering the fried egg on top of the rice and then shaking the bowl vigorously to mix the ingredients. It's both a fun tradition and a way to ensure even distribution of flavors. Gyeran Bap's role in kimbap making. Did you know that Gyeran Bap plays a crucial role in making kimbap? In this popular Korean snack, Gyeran Bap is used as a filling, adding a creamy and savory element to the roll. Seasonal Gyeran Bap variations. Gyeran Bap isn't static, it changes with the seasons. In winter, you might find Tuk Gyeran Bap, which includes rice cakes, or Gyeran Bap Jaeon, where the egg is incorporated into a savory pancake. Korean restaurants worldwide often include this classic dish on their menus, introducing people from all walks of life to its comforting charms. As we wrap up our exploration of the intriguing world of Korean Gyeran Bap, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this humble yet extraordinary dish. It's a testament to the beauty of Korean culture and the richness of its culinary traditions. If you found this video enlightening and entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. We're always eager to hear your thoughts and any other food topics you'd like us to explore. Until next time, may your meals be as heartwarming as a plate of Gyeran Bap. Happy eating!